Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I am with my student here. I'm sure you guys recognize this guy. We're practicing the tests. I'm gonna show him what's on the test. He's not ready for the test yet, but I'm just giving him an idea of what he has to look forward to because, yeah, as you guys know, he's kind of on the more nervous side. But I have to show him what's on the test because we're gonna be preparing for the test soon, I hope. So I'm going to run him through everything that is on the driving test. All right. So they're going to ask you basically to signal left, put it back in park actually. Put it back in park. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, and press the brake. So they'll make sure that the brake lights are working, right? All right. So now they're going to tell you basically, they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Right?
No, left, away from the curb. Away from the curb. And then they'll say, what else do? You put the car in park,
Yeah.
pull up the handbrake, parking brake, emergency brake, whatever you call it, and turn off the ignition.
Okay.
So put the car in park, pull up the handbrake, turn off the ignition, right? No, you don't do it necessarily. You just tell them that. Put it in park, pull up the handbrake, turn off the ignition. All right? All right, so now we're going to reverse from here. And I'm going to go down that way. And we're going to do the three-point turn a couple of times. We're going to park. And we're going to do the reverse and the quick stop. And everything that is on the test, actually. All right, so go ahead and reverse. Press the brake. Remember, it won't do anything unless you're pressing the brake. Make sure it clicks into reverse, yes. Now we're going to go back. You're going to go back until your mirror gets to the end of the line, right? Stop about there. See the mirror here, end of the line? When the mirror gets to the end of the line, you stop there. Now you're going to turn all the way to the left. Turn the wheel all the way left because you want the back of the car to go that way.
Yeah.
So you turn that way. Look over your shoulder there. And you're going to stop about there. Because you have to think that their car is in the lane beside you here, right?
Yeah.
Put it all the way to the right. Put it back in drive. Put it in drive, yes. Alright. Pull close to the right side. Close past this curb right here, and then we're going to do the three-point turn. We're going to do the three-point turn a couple of times. So you pull up, go up some more. You pull up close to the line like that and stop about here. Now the objective here is to turn around in this general area without going into the parking space, right? So signal left, turn the steering wheel all the way left until it stops. And then you're going to roll forward. Keep going. Now keep it in drive. You're going to go forward and stop before you get to the line. Go some more. And stop about there. Put it in reverse. And turn all the way to the right. All the way until it stops. And then look behind you. Look over your left shoulder. Left shoulder. And reverse. You're going to reverse until the mirror gets to the middle of this area. Go back some more. More. About there. Now put it back in drive. Signal left. Make sure it's in drive. And turn the wheel all the way left before you release the brake. All the way left until it stops. And then release your brake and forward. So that's the three-point turn. Straighten up on the right lane. Straighten up in the right lane. Okay, closer to the right again, we're going to do it. So that's the three-point turn. That's going to be on the test. Alright, so we're going to do that again. So stop close to the right side here. Signal left again. Left. Down for left, up for right. Turn all the way left until the wheel stops. Alright, go ahead. Release the brake. No, release the brake and go forward. Remember, you're doing the three-point turn. So again, we're going to go up and a little bit more. Stop before you go into the space. Alright, that's good enough. Put it back in reverse. turn all the way right. All the way. Turn the wheel. You don't necessarily have to worry about signaling when you're reversing. It's really only when you're going backwards. Alright? Look behind you. And turn and reverse. Keep going. And stop about there. Again, you see the mirror here? It's in the middle of the area. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and put the car back in drive. Make sure it clicks. Signal left and turn left. So you go left twice, you signal left twice. You understand?
Yeah.
Whenever you're going forward, that's when you signal. Come on, pull up close to the right side again. Close to the right. And we're going to do the 3-point turn one more time. Then we're going to go into some parking and so on. I just want to run through everything that we're going to have to eventually practice to get you ready for your test when it's test time. You understand?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and do the 3-point turn again. Signal left. Signal left. Turn the wheel all the way left. You know that's you, right?
I look there, look.
You just blew the horn. All right, go up some more. Go up a little bit more. And stop there. Put it back in reverse. Turn all the way right. All the way. Turn the wheel. All the way until it stops. And look over your left shoulder and reverse. Left shoulder, and reverse. Alright, stop about there. Put the car back in drive. And signal left again. And pull forward. Pull close to the right side. Close to the right. Alright. Now we're gonna do some parking. Alright, so we're gonna park in one of these spaces. You see this space right here? We're gonna go up until the mirror is lined up. So go up just a little bit more like that right there. You see the mirror is lined up with the first line right there?
Yeah.
Signal left. Turn the steering wheel all the way left until it stops. And then release your brake. And we're gonna go around until you get into the middle of the space. Keep going, a little bit more, right there. So you would stop here and straighten the wheel, right there. Here, right there is good. And then release your brake and pull straight in. And stop. And you see that works, you understand? So we're going to practice that until you're good at it. Alright, reverse.
I'm not so good.
You're not good yet. But we're gonna get good, right?
Yeah.
Alright, reverse. And we're going to reverse again until the mirror gets to the end of the line. Like up a little bit more, just a touch, like there. Alright? Now, all the way to the right. You're trying to go down there, so you're reversing to the right. And look behind you. Good. Alright, and again you're reversing until the mirror gets into the middle of the space. A little bit more right there, about there. Put it back in drive. Signal left. And turn left. And that's you blowing the horn with all that stiffness, boss. Close to the right side. Closer to the right. Alright, park again. Alright, go up, line up your mirror with the line. We're going in the one with the tree, right? So about there. You see it? Again, the mirror lined up with, you see it?
Right, yeah.
Alright, turn all the way left.
You know, say, I was looking over here, so you can't see no
You can't see nothing over here. If you look over here, yeah, you're not. If you're going to the left, you can't look over here. You definitely have to look to the left. All the way left, yes. And go ahead, just let it roll. And again, you're going to go around until you get into the middle and stop here. You see what I'm saying? And then straighten the wheel. One more time, right there, to the middle, just like that. and then release your brake and pull straight in. See? Alright, that's good. It works. You understand? It works great, actually.
I understand it too.
You understand right now.
Next week.
Next week you'll be fine. We're gonna practice it until you're good. Alright, reverse again. Okay, it looks like my gimbal is messing up. The battery and the gimbal look like it's dead. Alright, so stop about there. Alright, all the way right. Look behind you. Alright, stop there, put it in drive. Close to the right side. Alright, we're gonna park again, so go up a little bit more. Signal left. Go up some more for the next space right there. Right there. Just a touch more. Right there. Turn all the way left. Stop about there. Go for just a little bit more, just a touch. Alright, stop there, straighten the wheel. Okay, right there, and pull straight in. And stop. Make sure the wheel is straight like that when you stop. You see? Right here, straight. If the wheel is straight like that, then you know you've parked properly. Alright, so reverse, and let's do some of the quick stop and reversing. Those are the other things that they're gonna ask you to do. So stop about here, turn all the way to the right. Again, you want the back of the car to go over here, so you're turning all the way right? Go ahead. And stop here. Alright, put it in drive. And this time we're going to do what's called a quick stop. We're going to do that like one time, right? Because we're going to have time to work on that. So straighten the wheel, pull up to the right side. Take off the brakes. Just let it roll and straighten up over here. Like that. Now I want you to speed up to 20 miles an hour, heading towards that stop sign. And when you get to 20, slam the brakes. You understand? Speed up. Go ahead. Push it down. Push it down, boss. And stop. Hard. Like that. We're going to work on that. Alright, reverse. Put it in reverse. And then you're going to go straight back. This is a part of the test, right? Look behind you. Keep the wheel straight. Make sure the wheel is straight. And just look behind over here and just let the car roll straight back. Don't turn the wheel. Keep it like that. See what I'm saying? And they're going to make you roll back about that much. You understand? And stop. So they're going to make you reverse about that much, about 30 feet. Let's do the speed up one more time. Put it in drive. Make sure it's in drive. Keep the wheel straight. Look at the wheel. Make sure it's straight. Speed up to 20. Push it down. And stop. Okay, that's it. Alright, so that's all we're going to practice for today. That's just your introduction to what is on the driving test. Alright, so again, I want you guys to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, as you see, this is one of my more nervous students. I'm just introducing him to what he's going to have to do on the driving test. This is his first time doing it. He didn't do bad, actually. So I'll show you, I'll continue to document his progress, and eventually when he gets that driver's license, we'll all celebrate. You know what I mean? So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.